Hi everyone, just to explain the setup that I've got here. This is the laser light. So this is the one that we would have used in the lab, just a red laser light. And I've put it so that the laser light is just going to be going over the top of this paper. So I've been adding and taking away sheets of paper so that this pile of paper is just at the right height. So the laser light is going to go straight across. And then on the screen, on the side here that you can't really see at the moment, but I'll take another shot later so you can see, I've put some more graph paper, which is where I can make marks to identify where the different interference patterns are. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like when I turn the laser light on and I put it through a diffraction grating. And the diffraction grating is just here, it's this sort of paper covered thing just here. Again, I'll take this out and show it to you in a later video so that you can see what it looks like. But it's just really the diffraction grating is just the glass with the lines etched on it. Okay, so I'm going to turn on off my camera light, my main light, and I'm going to turn on the laser light. Okay, so it's pretty amazing. What we can see here is normally if laser light's going through air, obviously you can't see it because it needs to scatter off particles. Here the laser light is just scattering off the top of the paper. So the beam is going straight through, and this is what would be our central maximum, our zero order in the diffraction pattern, what we call our zero order, and that's where every light beam from all the different gratings is arriving in phase with zero path difference, and so we get constructive interference. As we go out to this side, you can see here this is our first order on the left hand side and our first order on the right hand side, and we can go out to our third order on each side, and you can't see it, but there I can actually see further orders as well. So I can possibly try and move it around. So you can see just there is so this is the zero, the first, the second, and the third orders. And if I went out even further, in some corner of my room is probably the other orders on both sides. So this is quite a sort of very clear pattern. Now when we turn back on the light, when we're going to analyze this now, what I'm going to do is to make marks on the sheet of paper over here so that you can see where the dots are, where the different orders are, and we can then record the key lengths in this pattern. So I'll do that in a separate video.